Hey everyone. Now, if you're interested in learning what cryptocurrency is, what Bitcoin is, and how to invest in crypto, then this video is for you. Don't worry if you don't have any prior knowledge or experience with crypto. I'll do my best to explain the fundamentals of crypto and Bitcoin to help you on your crypto journey. Simply put, a cryptocurrency is a digital coin or a digital form of currency whose main feature is that it's decentralized. That means that it doesn't rely on a central bank. In other words, they are bank free. There are a lot of advantages to having a decentralized currency. Since decentralized currency doesn't rely on a bank, it's free from monetary policies that might cause inflation of the currency. Another advantage is that when making a payment from one country to another, they're basically free from international or cross border transaction fees. There are tons of other types of digital coins out there, but the underlying premise is that all these coins rely on decentralized blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger similar to a database, but rather than being controlled by a central authority, such as a firm like Google, a small company, or individual, the ledger is dispersed across multiple computers, which can be located all over the world and run by anyone with an internet connection. At its core, a blockchain is a ledger through which data is added and updated in real time via consensus of the different nodes running the software in the network. However, once the data is added to the ledger, it cannot be removed or edited like with a database. This is a product of the overall design of blockchains. Here's an example of how blockchain works. First, Alice wants to send money to Bob. So she sends money to him using crypto, let's say Bitcoin in this case. Since Alice used Bitcoin, which uses blockchain technology, that transaction is represented online as a block. That block is then broadcasted to the entire Bitcoin network. Then the network approves the transaction. Once that transaction is approved, that block is added to the existing blockchain, which provides a permanent record of that transaction via the distributed ledger to prove that the transaction was valid. Once this occurs, the transaction is now complete. So, the key takeaway is that a public blockchain is a distributed ledger similar to a database, which has different key attributes. Decentralized, which means there are no third parties involved. Distributed, meaning the ledger is spread across the whole network, which makes tampering difficult. Encrypted, and anonymous. Once the data is added to the ledger, it cannot be removed or altered. Now, speaking of something that can't be removed or altered, you can add hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm to the ledger, detailing everyone who hit the like button. That way, you can help this video get pushed out to other people by turning the like button blue. So, thank you for doing that. With that said, let's get back into the video. Now, Bitcoin is the most popular form of cryptocurrency, and Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency. But today, I'll mostly be referring to Bitcoin in our video. Now, according to the official Bitcoin.org website, Bitcoin uses peer to peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks. Managing transactions and the issuing of Bitcoins is carried out collectively by the network. Bitcoin is open source, meaning its design is public. Nobody owns or controls Bitcoin, and everyone can take part. Because Bitcoin operates peer to peer with no central authority or banks, it has quick transactions, provides global payments, and relatively low processing fees. Now, if you're interested in learning about the origins and details of the inner workings and tech of Bitcoin, I'd recommend reading through the Bitcoin white paper published by Satoshi Nakamoto. It's a very interesting read that discusses all aspects of Bitcoin, such as transactions. You don't need a computer science degree or any software engineering experience to understand the fundamental concepts of Bitcoin. So definitely check it out if you're interested. Now, some people buy Bitcoin because they want to store their money somewhere other than a bank, and some buy it as an investment, believing the price of it a few months or a year down the road will be higher than what it is today. So now let's quickly discuss why Bitcoin in particular has the most buzz around it. The reason for Bitcoin's massive bull run to almost $60,000 at the time of this recording is because Bitcoin has been increasingly adopted by retail investors and more recently by large institutions. For example, Tesla invested $1.5 billion of cash from their balance sheet in Bitcoin and now accepts Bitcoin as a form of payment on their website. Other institutions, such as Square, have invested millions of dollars into Bitcoin. Even major banks, such as JP Morgan, are allowing their customers to transfer money in and out of exchanges such as Coinbase and will let clients invest in a Bitcoin fund for the first time. Okay, so let's say you want to put some of your money into cryptocurrency. Well, where do we even start? Well, first, you want to sign up for an exchange. Exchange will allow you to buy, sell, and hold crypto. The most popular ones include Coinbase, BlockFi, Celsius, Gemini, Binance US, Crypto.com, and even now popular stock trading apps such as Robinhood, Webull, and the Cash App have it. One of the more reputable exchanges is BlockFi, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. With BlockFi, you can use cryptocurrency to earn interest at up to 8.6% APY, borrow cash, and buy or sell crypto. You can access BlockFi on the web or on the app, and it's where I know who want or people I know who want to earn interest on their crypto buy their Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you can sign up using my BlockFi link down below, and you'll get up to $250 as a crypto bonus, depending on how much money you initially deposit into your account. So thank you for doing that. And with that said, let's get back into the video. So after you sign up for an account with BlockFi, you have to give them some personal info, just as you if you were signing up for a brokerage account. After signing up, you'll get to this main screen or dashboard. You'll then want to link your bank account, and then you're ready to buy cryptocurrency. So here we see my dashboard. Right now, I'm invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC, which is a stable coin or a crypto that's pegged to the US dollar. So one USDC equals one US dollar. So first, we need to deposit some money into our account. To do so, we click deposit at the top navigation bar. That'll take us to this drop-down menu on the left to select the currency that we want to deposit. In this case, we pick USD as stablecoin. Next, we select the payment method. I use ACH bank transfer since I instantly get access to the amount of money. Finally, I put $100 to deposit via ACH and click review and confirm. One thing to keep in mind is that the USD will be converted to the Gemini USD stablecoin, or GUSD for short, since Gemini is the custodian for BlockFi. Once the deposit is complete, we click trade at the top and enter our trade amount. If I actually went through my $100 deposit, I would have 100 USD to invest. Instead, I'll use the 1000 USD coin or USDC that I already have in my account. So I click on GUSD to change the crypto I'm selling to USDC. Then I enter $100 to say I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin using 100 USDC. Then I click buy $100 of BTC to confirm the order. Now, one investment that's completely free is to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified when my videos get uploaded. Each subscribe and bell you click directly helps each video get watched more. So thank you for doing that. With that said, let's get back into the video. So the main thing you need to know about having Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any cryptocurrency is that if you really want to safeguard it 100%, you want something called a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet contains a wallet address, which is essentially a string of numbers and characters used to create a unique identifier for the wallet. There are different types of wallets. There are hardware wallets, one of which that I recommend getting is the Ledger Nano S. I also know of the Treasure wallet. These hardware wallets allow you to store your crypto off the exchanges on a physical device, so that if the exchanges go bankrupt, you'll still have access to your crypto via the hardware wallet. This type of storage is called cold storage. Although BlockFi doesn't have its own built-in wallet, according to the website, they keep a material amount of digital assets available for withdrawal with third parties, such as Gemini, BitGo, and Coinbase. Now, Coinbase has its own built-in wallet, so the money in my Coinbase account is just stored with Coinbase's wallet. In addition to wallets on exchanges, there are also digital wallets, such as Trust Wallet and MetaMask. These digital wallet platforms allow users to create different wallets for different crypto. That way, you're able to hold various crypto all in one platform, such as Trust Wallet and MetaMask. However, be careful not to accidentally send the wrong crypto to a wallet. Otherwise, the wallet cannot carry the wrong crypto and that crypto is lost forever. For example, if you try sending Ethereum to a Bitcoin wallet, then the wallet will not be able to hold the Ethereum, and instead the Ethereum is lost forever. So now let's go over some reasons why now may be a good time to start investing in crypto. The first reason is that fiat currency, such as the US dollar, is losing value due to inflation. So many with so much money printing from the government from the past year, coupled with supply shortages, right now we're living through some serious inflation in asset prices, consumer goods, and gas prices. In contrast to the US dollar, Bitcoin has a limited supply, so it's an inflation hedge and a deflationary currency, which is a key reason why many investors are invested in Bitcoin. In addition, it's a hedge against the traditional market. Another reason to start investing in crypto is the recent Coinbase direct listing, with the largest crypto company, Coinbase, becoming a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq. There's a lot more optimism on the future of crypto and crypto adoption, since being a publicly traded company provides more legitimacy to crypto and transparency on their financials. Now, a great way to get started with investing is to get two free stocks valued up to $1,850 when you use my Webull link down below and deposit $100 in your Webull account. Webull also allows users to buy crypto. Also, if you're interested in buying Bitcoin and earning interest on your crypto, sign up using my BlockFi link down below, and you'll get up to $250 as a crypto bonus, depending on how much money you initially deposit into your account. So, I hope you got a lot of value and learned how to invest in crypto. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more investing and personal finance content, and hit the bell to get notified when my videos get uploaded. Also, comment down below anything else you want to see and learn, and follow me on my socials to get even more investing and personal finance content. With that said, thanks for watching. Take care.